Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Walmart 2026. So you will need at first to understand the Walmart integration options. Okay, so the first option is Shopify Marketplace Connect, and that's official. So the Shopify's Marketplace Connect lets you connect your Walmart seller account and manage products, inventory, and orders directly from your Shopify admin. It's the recommended native way by Shopify for Marketplace Sync. And if you already use the older Walmart Marketplace app, you may need to migrate to Marketplace Connect to keep everything in one place. Okay, so the Marketplace Connect gives sellers the ability to sync Shopify catalog to Walmart Marketplace, sync inventory counts and price updates, imports Walmart's orders into Shopify, and manage listing and fulfillment all in Shopify. Okay, so it's important to know that Walmart's Marketplace has eligibility requirements to become a seller. For example, business verification, tax info, product quality standards. So you all need to have an account on Walmart first. Okay, and the second thing is using the third-party integration app. So actually we will go with the first method. So you will need to go with the settings from here on the left-hand menu, then just go with apps and then click on Shopify App Store. So inside the store you will need just select the search bar just like so and type right there Walmart. Okay, so if the Marketplace Connect isn't available yet for your account, or you want extra features just like me, you will need to go with a DPL Walmart integration and then just click on install. Okay, so right now we'll be forwarding to a page where you can confirm your installation or your integration. And so right now it's integrated to our Shopify, and all we need to do is to have an account on Walmart, subscribed and set up. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.